Hey everybody, Dr. A here, and in this playlist, we're going to be covering all of the major topics that you would see in a one semester, 3 credit hour statics course. Now, those of you may already know, statics is typically a sophomore level engineering course that all engineering majors typically have to take in order to graduate, and it's a prerequisite for several later important courses, specifically if you're majoring in civil engineering, mechanical engineering, aerospace engineering, or biomedical engineering. But again, it's typically a required course that all engineering majors have to take. So as we go through these videos and this playlist, you want to write everything down, especially if it's the first time you're seeing this material. Watching and listening is usually not good enough to learn the material. You really want to pick up a pencil and get some paper out and take notes. Again, especially if it's the first time you're seeing a particular topic. You want to write down all the steps, pause and rewind the videos as much as you need to really make sure you learn the material, because that's what's really the important thing here, is that you learn this material, because it is the foundation for a lot of later really important engineering courses and concepts. So we're going to be referencing the Hibbler Statics book in several of these videos. Even though this is all my own handwriting and I developed the explanations myself, it's my handwriting and my voice. I'm kind of running in parallel with the the Hibbler Statics textbook that a lot of universities use for their statics course. But remember, there's all kinds of other statics textbooks out there besides the one published through Pearson by R.C. Hibbler. A lot of good statics books out there to use as a reference. It's just I have a preference for this one just because I've been using it for a long time, and I used it myself when I was an undergrad student studying civil engineering. So remember, write things down, take good notes, and also be on the lookout for guest star from my daughter in a few of these videos. Some of these videos and the intros were recorded with me keeping an eye on her at home, and so you might get a chance to see her show up in a few of them. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started.